May kulang na reassurance. Have you ever had a customer who sounded excited, then suddenly stopped replying? Kung ganito rin kayo, let me share with you Janela's story. Meron siyang beauty salon and nail spa. A bride messaged her about a wedding package. Detailed inquiry, peg photos, preferred schedule, budget ready. The tone was excited, engaged, and serious. She even said, "Gusto ko po sana sa inyo kasi ang ganda ng work ninyo." Janela naman responded professionally. Nagpadala siya ng rates, nilista niya yung inclusions, in-explain niya yung mga add-ons, isa-isa, clearly. She even attached before and after photos. Everything was complete, everything was correct. Tapos sabi nung bride, "Ikaw po ba mismo ang gagawa sa wedding day ko?" And Janela replied honestly, "Depende po sa schedule. All my staff are trained naman." That answer actually was accurate. Wala namang mali, walang kulang sa impormasyon, but something felt different. The bride was not just asking about staffing. She was asking for reassurance. She wanted to feel that her once-in-a-lifetime moment mattered. Instead, what she felt was uncertainty. Tapos, silence followed. 2 days later, the bride posted a photo. Tag in another salon. No complaint, no explanation, just a quiet decision. Janela assumed maybe price ang issue, pero hindi. Anak, ang lesson ay ito. Customers don't just buy services. They buy emotional certainty. When reassurance is missing, doubt quietly enters. And when doubt enters, excitement fades. And when excitement fades, commitment disappears. Sometimes, yung customer, hindi sila nakikipag-argue, hindi sila nakikipag-negotiate. They simply choose the one who made them feel safer. I'm sure hindi mo gusto yan mangyari, di ba? Kaya it's time to always be business-minded, Pinoy.